Hi and welcome to this course. Now during the next coming videos we're going to show you just exactly the easiest way to set up your own e-learning platform using WordPress and the WooCommerce plugin. So firstly, let's look at why e-learning is popular today. Well, the main key reason is there's been such a growth and adoption in the years where people have really had the ability to undertake where and when they please, and of course in the comfort of their own home. Now, of course, with the results of the global pandemic, as a result of that, education has really changed dramatically, where there's been a distinctive rise in e-learning. And according to the World Economic Forum, e-learning has soared over 200%. There's no better time to set up your e-learning platform. So as you can see here, we are on the dashboard of a domain name that we have just set up. Now, the course is involved around e-commerce, so please note we are not going to go through into showing you the installation of WordPress. Now, most people, if you're interested in the e-learning platform, would have a blog. If you don't have a blog, then we will put some links underneath this video where it'll show you how to install and purchase a domain name. But here we are with a brand new domain name with nothing installed on this WordPress here. Now, the first thing that we are going to do is we're just going to install a simple theme. So we just go over to Appearances, click Theme, and as you can see there, there's already one theme installed, but I'm just going to add another one because this theme here goes well with all e-commerce. So this one is called Astra. So just type in the search bar Astra, and there we have here. It is free. There is an Astra Pro, but we're just going to go with the free version. Click Install. Activate. So that is now our theme activated. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm just going to get rid of this theme here because I no longer need it. So all I'm going to do is just click on the theme. Down in the bottom is just delete it. Okay, that is just optional depending on what themes you already have in your WordPress blog. Now, if you already have themes in your WordPress blog, then that's fine if you want to stick with them because they're already pre-populated to your own needs for your website. So now what I'm going to do is just install a plugin, which is WooCommerce. So I'm going to go to Plugins, Install Plugin, and Add New Plugin. Now, there's a number of different ways you can do it. You can either go to wordpress.org and download it from there onto your hard drive and install it, or you can just go across here and install. So, just going to put WooCommerce. So I'm just putting Woo in there. There it is there. This is the one that we are after. And all I'm going to do is just click Install Now. And once it's installed, we're just going to click Activate. So all we're going to do is just fill in your details here. So it's asking for your address, your country, city, and postcode or zip, wherever you may be. So I'm just going to do that now. And if you are setting this up, just write in my city. And if you're setting it up for a client, then you would select it there or just continue. Here you have the option to use a tracker, but we'll show you later in some of the plugins. But for now, all I'm going to do is just click No Thanks. And now it's asking you what industry do you want to operate your store in. So you have another different options here. So I'm just going to click the education and learning. If none of those is there, all you would select is the other, and then you would give a description. But I'm just leaving ours as education and learning. From here, what you will then need to do is what type of products will be listed. So, you know, whether they're going to be physical downloads. Now, with this being an e-learning course, then all I'm going to do is our products are going to be downloads. So I'm just going to select downloads and then continue. So here it's just asking for some information about the business. So all it's asking for here is how many products do you wish to plant a display. Again, it's entirely up to you. I'm just going to select middle for diddle, so 11 to 100. Here it's asking you, are you currently selling elsewhere? So if you are, then just select yes. For us, we select no. And here you have some apps that's pre-built in. You can either activate them or deactivate them. So market with Facebook, MailChimp, your email marketing and your Google Ads. I'm just going to disable them for now, and we will be looking at those a bit later on. So click continue. You will be now asked to choose your theme. As you can see there, that was the theme that was installed earlier, which was the Astra. And as I mentioned before, one of the reasons is because it's got some convenient features that go well with the WooCommerce. So I'm going to continue with this theme. Now, you can choose other themes, as I mentioned earlier on. You've got your front store, which is a theme by WooCommerce. You've got paid themes there, or you've got your free themes. You can also skip this step by scrolling down at the bottom of the page and selecting skip this step. But I'm going to continue now with the active theme of Astra. Now it's asking you, do you want to install Jetpack and WooCommerce shipping and tax? All I'm going to do now is just say no thanks for now. And there we go. So that is the store details now set up. Okay, so that'll be it for this video. When we come back, we will continue with the remainder of the setup of the WooCommerce plugin.